Hello folks, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm showing you how to cook the malagkit. Okay, here's my the malagkit, the biko. Okay, this is a white and brown sugar, meaning red sugar. Okay, and then you need to put the coconut milk. March 11, 2026. Okay. At home Blackford, Dover, Singapore. Okay. There's a reason for there. Okay. My son is not home. We go out early. Okay. Mm, now it's boiling. My cooker is already new. This is only 400. The digital number is only stick to the 400. If you put 6 or 8 or maximum 2,000, they will turn off, you know. I don't know what happened. Funny, right? So, this is white and brown sugar with coconut milk. The rice is already here. I already cooked the glutinous rice. Okay. My kitchen is not really very good, folks. It's not a proper kitchen. There's a table on it. Okay. I don't black for the word for us. So, okay, I'm gonna put my glutinous rice, okay? The cooked glutinous rice. Boil already. So, like this, very simple. That this one you buy outside, it's expensive. That is what you call the simple food at home that you can do it. When you go out and eat, turn to gold. Expensive, right? See? Just like that. Like I said, my cooker is only nailed at 400 only. Okay? Only 400. No more than 400. If you put to more than 400, they will turn off. Yes. So you could be able to cook, I don't know. Why like that? One day, it's just happened, just like that. Okay? So, this is all. Later on, I will show you the finished product. It will look lovely, okay? Now, it looks like some kind of, you know. But later on, I'll show you, okay? So, that's for today. At Blackford, the World Cup is Singapore. And cook dessert here. Glutinous rice. Biko. Enjoy. March 11, 2026. Enjoy, Singapore.